Hi everyone. See here, main questions we'll discuss now. Only 5 minutes are remaining. Okay. See what you got the questions on this mode and median. These were the questions which were asked. Remember this formula by heart. L1 plus L2 minus L1 into F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Group data, compulsory question. This was asked in morning shift also. Now also there are more chances. Same about median. L1 plus L2 minus L1 into N upon 2 minus CF, the whole upon F. Okay. This was asked in morning also. Again, this time also. Time series. Okay. This is linear plus, see, two questions are asked. One is linear and second is circular. So if circular is asked, y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. Okay. If circular is asked. If it's linear asked, only y equals to a plus bx. For finding bx, a, b and c, there are separate equations. Okay, I won't go into those equations now. Standard error. This was a compulsory question in the morning and again it will be there. Root of pq upon n. Root of pq upon n. This was a question for standard error. If you want to find standard deviation, if they ask you standard deviation, then make it simple, root of pqn. If you want to find the mean, just write np, n into p. Okay, P is called as a success, Q is called as a failure. The next, this was asked. Okay, multiplier, finite population multiplier. This was a question. 2000 was capital N, small n was 500. So just put the values and you'll get a finite population multiplier. Root of n minus n upon n minus 1. Compulsory question. Then you'll get a question on infinite population also. It was there in the morning also, infinite, psi upon root of n. Okay, they've asked you the z value also. Z value means 1 upon psi dash into x bar minus mu. 1 upon psi dash into x bar minus mu. Psi dash is known as standard error. X bar is known as your required sample mean. Mu is population mean. This was asked compulsorily. Then this was it. Next. Yeah, these were the questions from A mainly. Yes, Supra ma'am.
Yes, Vishal sir. So there is a question related to human capital, which we have done yesterday also. The answer was human capital in the knowledge era. Okay, what is the wealth of source? Second question, there is Zuhari window, A, B, C, D, arena, blind, closed and dark. Third question from the, that HRD is a subsystem of HRM. And the fourth question from the CCO. Then there is a question from the preventive vigilance. And there is a question from the preventive vigilance, deductive vigilance and punitive vigilance, right?
Yeah.
And there is a question from the CVC, that who will be heading the CVC, that is Chief Vigilance
Committee.
Yes, Vishal sir.
Yeah. See, everyone, now hardly 2 minutes are remaining. Kindly remember this formula. Mode equals to L1 plus L2 minus L1 into F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Compulsory question, you will get it this time also. Median also. L1 plus L2 minus L1 into N upon 2 minus CF upon F. At least these two you remember now. Okay, now it's almost 58. You have to close your mobiles, many of you. Paper is at 12:15. Okay, so next. This was it then. Any question? Anyone else? Let me see. See, there were questions on this frequency. Okay, frequency was asked on one question. I've got it just now, that you had to find out this arithmetic mean. So always remember arithmetic mean. Yesterday also we had taken arithmetic mean. Okay, this was a question in the morning. Summation fx f into x. Actually, it's f into or x into f, right? X into f, the whole upon summation f. Okay, x is given to you, frequency is given to you. Just multiply them and add them, and divide it by the summation of f, frequency. This is arithmetic mean. This was also asked. This is for group data. If ungrouped data is asked, very easy. Just add them and divide it. Now, one question was asked, it seems, in the morning for ungrouped data median. Median of ungrouped data, one liner. Median ungrouped data, very simple. What you have to do, just arrange them in sequence and find out the central number. If the numbers are even, then average of central numbers, median. Okay, kindly note this. Then next one question was asked, median of ungrouped was asked. Median of grouped already I have told you. Median of grouped is this one. Okay. Then probability one question was asked on this PQ. PQ already I have told, I think so. This PQ upon N. This one. Okay, this question was asked. PQ, root of PQ upon N, standard error was asked. Now this time they might not ask you standard error, they might ask you standard deviation. So root of NPQ. Or they might ask you mean. So only N into P. Okay? Yeah, ma'am. Any other questions? Others also post the marks, those who have cleared it. How was the paper? Easy, moderate, or tough? All of you? Then one question was on LRM, loan review mechanism. LRM, loan review mechanism. Okay. What is LRM? That was asked. Loan review mechanism. Okay. It is a review of the portfolio of the loans given by the bank to all the industries. Portfolio. Okay. We are checking the portfolio of the loans in LRM. Then one question was on PIRP question was there. I think so. PIRP question was there. Let me see. Yeah, the question was if PIRP is going on, and PIRP and CIRP questions were there. So kindly note PIRP and CIRP questions. Okay, pre-packaged resolution plan, insolvency resolution plan. Okay, so PIRP is generally asked. Got it? PIRP. Kindly note this. Anyone else? Anyone else? Post the questions. See, one question was asked of in PIRP and CIRP, who gains the control? Kindly note in PIRP and CIRP, in PIRP the control is with the party or the borrower, and in CIRP the creditor is in control. See, in PIRP debtor is in control, in CIRP creditor is in control. Kindly note this. Okay? PIRP is for how many months? See, 30 to 90 days PIRP. See, PIRP is for 30 to 90 days. This question might be asked now. PIRP duration might be asked 30 to 90 days. CIRP takes longer term, roughly 270 days. That is the difference. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Chalo then we'll leave now. Yeah.